God damn it, can this job get any worse?
Let's go to work.
So this is one of those fun jobs where the boiler's situated directly above £2,000 worth of IT equipment, and it's full up of cartridges and all sorts. So we've got a 2-port valve here. It doesn't engage in any shape or form. And that's with the power off. So we've got to change it. That's going to be a bit of a problem. Okay, so let's do some checks. Live, neutral and earth and the switch live. Make sure that we've got a power supply coming from the program. All is good. Take the old one out. Good. Earth cable with a rivet on it. That's going to be fun. Now there's a goddamn shiny head in the shop. Anyway. This is going to be for fun. Anyway. So this is the kind of stuff that happens every single day as a heating engineer. I'm just trying to get across that they're not all easy, guys. So if you new engineers, you're going to come across situations like this and you have to have a get it done mentality. And only you can bring that out of yourself. Get it done. You may be struggling, but you'll learn from these situations. Anyway, hot water's back on and we're good to go. So that's another central London job done. And they've got hot water and I got paid.